You want patty? Sure. Yeah?
Yep.
Wow, good job.
Want some hot sauce?
No.
There you go. Love you too. Bye, guys. After the show. I'll see you. You'll be in bed by the time I get home. Okay, bye, baby. The M2 has completely changed my tour, my family life, everything. It's the biggest game changer that's ever happened in my career. There's nothing like being in the cockpit of the M2. It's so fun for me. This is how I get to go to work. It's my mode of transportation, but it's also one of my favorite hobbies. And to get to do this every day, I land with a big smile on my face no matter where I am. You know, I'm out here every night playing music, and it's a crazy show, it's a wild show, and people might not necessarily associate this with, you know, a business, but it is. I've had to learn to be a small business owner that has a brand that's growing, you know, that I'm trying to grow actively every day through my live shows, through obviously album sales and social media, and it's my fans are all over the country, just like a CEO would have customers all over the country, and I need to get to them every night. That's how I make a living, is by getting out to see my people. If I can't get here, there's going to be a real problem. You know, there's going to be a lot of unhappy fans, a lot of unhappy customers. When you're out here trying to, you know, build your brand and make new fans, it's important to show up ready to rock, no matter what you do.
We all wanna break the chains, feel the wind against our face. Everybody wants the same thing. We wanna taste that freedom. Everybody around here wanna taste that freedom.
Back home and back to the family. Thank you, M2. Thank you, Textron.
become a citation, these jets have to withstand the pressure of extensive tests and trials. In all of general aviation manufacture, there's nothing to match the design and testing of a citation. Citation engineers design the jet's parts and assemblies as test articles that will undergo brutal testing and then are refined based on the results. This is how our engineers set new parameters for already proven jets and realize totally new kinds of clean sheet aircraft.
Textron Aviation has a competitive advantage because of the way we design airplanes. Every test has an effect on the airplane that is delivered to the customer that they trust to meet their mission needs.
This simulation allows us to evaluate flying qualities of new airplanes before the test aircraft are actually built. This simulation came about due to the vision of Textron Aviation engineering leadership.
The Iron Bird is a simulator that provides Textron Aviation with a cost benefit, time savings, and safety enhancement.
We test the entire structural components of the aircraft, all the way from the entire airframe down to the smallest piece of material that goes in.
This is the Textron Aviation Environmental Test Lab. We duplicate the environment that the airplane's going to be exposed to during its lifetime, and then expose the systems that will be installed on those airplanes to that environment. We have a variety of equipment, but a lot of it is designed by the engineers employed here at Textron Aviation. The benefits of having this lab on site, it gives us an opportunity to get our products out to market as fast as possible. A system comes in, we run the test immediately.
As part of the development certification of any airplane, extremes need to be demonstrated. The climatic chamber that is used by Textron Aviation today allows us to test the extremes of temperature under controlled environments.
If a test doesn't exist, we create the means, which means we're often contracted by other manufacturers to test their aircraft and components. The energy we invest in design and test speeds our time to market. Bringing new technology to proven design, and new design based on proven aircraft. In the end, to pass citation testing, it takes a citation.